Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to upload files in Godaddy. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Godaddy website. And how do you create an account? Now launch any browser of your choice, and from your browser, the top corner you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type godaddy.com. It's going to take you to the official website for Godaddy. Once you get right into the website, at the top right corner, you're going to find the sign up button. Click on that and then follow through with the process to create an account. Now, you can either be asked to create an account manually by filling out the details manually or automatically using Google, Facebook, or Apple. Now, whichever choice you make, once you have created an account, is going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now navigate through a lot of options to have a great experience on Godaddy. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's steps, which is how to upload files in Godaddy. Now from the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find your profile. Right here, your profile name. So click on that, you're going to see an extended menu. Map product, renewals and billings, account settings, and just a lot more. Go ahead and click on map product, and it's going to take you to the map product page, and from there we'll see what next you do. So from your map product page, scroll the way down until you find domains. And as you can see, this is domains. Now go ahead and click on manage all. So I'm just gonna have to go back because I'm sorry, you may likely not see the feature of uploading files right here in the domain page. But there is somewhere that you have to go, which is the website hosting. Now you cannot find the website hosting option here because I am not subscribed to the premium version of Godaddy. But once you're subscribed to the premium version, then just right here, just below domains, you're going to find website hosting. And once you find website hosting, just right beside it, you're going to find manage all, just as you can see right here. So all you need to do is to click on manage all. And once you click on manage all, it's going to take you to the accounts page for the website hosting. And just at the top corner right there, you're gonna see stuff that says cPanel. All right, you're gonna see the cPanel admin. Yeah, the cPanel administrator. So that means if you go through that process, it's definitely going to take you to the cPanel admin board. So what does that say? That says that you definitely need to create an account with cPanel. All right, so create an account with cPanel, and this is what cPanel looks like. All right, and then once you head over to Godaddy and then you click on website hosting and manage all, it's going to take you to another window. At the top, you're going to see the cPanel admin. Click on that, and once you get there, it's going to take you right into the cPanel admin board. So from there, in the top left corner of the accounts dashboard on cPanel, you're going to see file manager. So select file manager, and then in the cPanel file manager, you select plus file. All right, so select the file, any file that you want to add. All right, and so once you do that, select any file that you want to add, and then complete the on-screen fields, and then select create new file, and you will be good to go. So just remember the process. Go through this video from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video helped you search.